Hi guys, I am very happy because I have just come back from watching Avisham. Firstly, the movie is like released in a theater which is 1 hour away from my house, and I have a terrible tooth pain. But I pushed myself to watch Avisham finally today, and I am so glad that I did it. And if I have to describe the movie in one word, it has to be entertaining. It was a riot, and I don't even know where to begin from. It's a Malayalam film from India, and it stars Fahad Fasil, who I think is one of the strongest actors in Indian cinema right now and one of the best in Malayalam cinema. So the movie is directed by Jeetu Madhavan, who is also the director of Romanchan and Guppy. I've spoken about Romanchan on my channel before. I will add the link somewhere over here. But about Avisham, I think is one of his best directorial movies. Please mind my mouth. I'm going through a terrible tooth pain these days. Basically, in the movie, 3 teenagers come to Bangalore to study engineering and are ragged by another person who, by the way, has acted very well. I loved him on screen. I think the entire cast has done a phenomenal job, and they get ragged by their seniors, so they plan to hang out at these really cheap local bars and befriend one of the gangsters and use his friendship to get back to the seniors who have mistreated them, is what the movie is about. Now, while they are trying to do this, they do become friends with this gangster who is Fahad Fasil, and while they do that, they end up becoming a part of his core group and hanging out with him every day and using his money, his cars, his alcohol, his cigarettes, everything to have a really nice lifestyle. But of course, it's not easy to be with a gangster, so that's what the movie is about. Talking about the direction, the movie honestly started only pretty intense. I am very happy about the fact that it did not have a character build up. It got to the point to where it was supposed to go, and that was a very good thing about it. And in the start, when they're showing the ragging stuff, they use dubstep in the background. Oh my god, that was too good. I think the music of the film was perfect in every scene. The fighting scenes had rap playing in the background, it had dubstep, it had like really chill, funky music that you go to a bar and listen to, and the movie is so intense, was amazing. And I think the music of the film definitely gets like a 10 on 10. It was one of my favorite parts about it. The Illuminati song and like the songs in general were so nice that I would add it to my playlist and just listen to it to lift up my mood. And I think all the teenagers also have acted very well when they're getting ragged. It was very real. You feel for them, you see where they're coming from and why they want to befriend Fahad. You could see that it was given entire justice. I am sure that these kids have not performed a lot. They are pretty fresh, but they were so good, especially when you're in front of Fahad. You need some acting skills, and they were amazing. Coming to Fahad. Fahad is beautiful. He was so good in the movie. His body language, first of all, is not the body language that he has in general. I have seen a lot of his movies and he's pretty flexible to move around, but he had like such a rigid body language and like his comic timings, and he's so like small and petite and cute, but his gangster vibe was awesome. And you know, like his smile and his intensity and his crying and his emotion and his comic timing, everything was perfect. I think Fahad Fasil's time is just getting better and better, and his craft is just reaching to a level where I don't think anybody stands even closer to where he is. He's so good in the film. Like, you need to watch it for Fahad. And you know, in the movie there is literally like no actress. It's an all boys movie, and it was so entertaining. Like, there was no love angle or anything. It was pure entertainment and pure cinema. I am honestly, personally not a fan of action movies. I hate violence, but this movie is all action, and all the action sequences are so well shot, edited, the slow-mos at the correct time. And Fahad is actually in the movie not even hitting anyone. He's a gangster who tells people that you hit, I want to see, break his tooth, I want to see how you do it. Like, he's so fun. And oh my god, he had like such a bad boy look on his face from like seeing him all innocent and lover boy in so many movies to see him like a bad boy with so much fun on his face. Like, I could see that he's having fun while shooting for it. I could feel it in his eyes, and it was so great to watch him act in the movie. He was a treat to watch. Where 3 hours went away, I didn't even realize. Sure, I had an issue with the runtime. I think the first half was insanely entertaining. The second half became a bit stretched and a bit pulled, and I was just like, okay, maybe this was not needed, but it was fun. And guess what? The movie is a musical, but there is no like music happening in terms of like they are dancing or they're doing time pass. The music is a part of the scene, but there is so much music in the movie that I can easily call it a musical, and it was such good music. Like, of course, there are birthday sequences where there's dance, Illuminati is there where he's dancing, but there are other sequences in the movie where you did not expect it to happen like that. And you know, like the kind of friendship, brotherhood, violence they've shown, everything is like so intact that you actually feel that you're in a gangster group. Even the person who played the character of Amban, who played like the right hand of Fahad Fasil in the movie, his name is Siju Sunny. I think he was really well acted. He had like great screen presence. The three teenagers in front of Fahad were pretty strong, especially the guy who played Bibby, I think. He was so good. Like, oh my god, there was this time in the movie where he was like comes with innocence and slowly transforms into Fahad. You don't really know that he's looking at his character, but you know, his eyes and his way of body language starts becoming like him, and then he's the one who betrays him in the end. He's the one who plans a coup for him, and then he's the one who gives up. He's the one who apologizes. Oh my god, he had a lot of levels in terms of character, and I think he played really well. To watch a gangster movie which has comedy, it's very difficult to make, but kudos to the director. I think he's done a phenomenal job. It is definitely a cinematic experience, and I am so glad that I watched it in the theater and did not wait for it to come on Amazon Prime. Like, it was fun. So the meaning of Avesham in English is excitement, and the entire movie had so much adrenaline that I was excited throughout. I think that this is definitely a bit better than Romanchan in terms of direction. I liked Romanchan, but I was not the biggest fan of it in a few parts, but I think he has surpassed all of that in Avesham. Like, I have so many things to say that sometimes I'm talking about the cinematography, sometimes about the acting, sometimes about the music, sometimes about the direction, because I'm so excited to talk about the movie that how much ever I say about Avesham is less. If somebody asks me that how would you like rate Avesham, or like how would you tell people to watch Avesham, I would definitely be like, the movie is a vibe. You have to watch it for a vibe. You just have to watch it. You just have to immerse yourself in it, enjoy it, and come out and go like, oh, 3 hours are over. I didn't even realize when 3 hours were over. It's a master class for directors and actors when they have to go like how to make an entertaining movie. Avesham is the one that I'm going to ask people to watch to learn how to make an entertainment movie. It can be watched by kids, by adult, by super adult, by teenagers. I think everyone can watch this movie. It's like a family movie that you can watch. So this is what I thought of Avesham. I am so excited that I watched it in the theater, and even with so much pain in my tooth, I went for it, and I am so glad that I did. It really took all of my stress away, and I highly recommend it. Please find it near any theater near you that has subtitles. And thank you so much for watching my video, like always, and giving me all the love like you guys do. Let me know what you thought about Avesham in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I love you. Bye.